Group 2. And I am Yorkin Bilyota.
I am
I am Kintus Pinicard.
And I am Jamaica Pata.
And we're going to tour you guys in our campus. Let's go. Guys, punta po kami sa Senior High School building. So guys, ito po ang aming school library. School library guys. And we are the canteen. Electronic classroom guys. Canteen ito yung ICT. At doon guys, pakita mo guys doon. Yan ang admin building guys. Admin building yan. Ito kami guys, canteen. One, two, three, go!
Guys, pupunta kami ngayon sa grade 7 guys.
We are exploring. We are now in grade 7 building. So guys, okay guys. Ini nama Casinera. Did you see that?
Ito po ang likod ng junior high school.
Dito po guys, yung likod. Kita nyo naman yung mga
estudyante guys.
Nagtatanim guys.
Tatanim.
Likod po ito guys ang mga junior high school room.
Yes.
Did you see that? Guys, that's so pretty. Guys, lipat tayo guys. There you go. Guys,
pupunta po kami ngayon sa grade 10.
let's go. So guys, yung dating room. Oh, dating guest house guys. Ang ating dating principal.
Dito guys, EIM room guys.
Laboratory.
11 or EIM. Yes, look at that kuryente.
Did you see that bulb?
That's a building. Grade 11.
Grade 9. Grade 9 kayo lang. Grade 11 sa taas. Linis guys. Yes.
So, opposite nga building, makikita niyo is grade 11.
Yes guys. Yeah. Pakita mo muna.
So, yan na guys.
Grade 12 guys. Pupunta ko kami.
Come on.
Look at the view, guys.
It's so beautiful.
Uy!
Parking.
Hindi guys, wala.
Both side
Palamig.
may parking.
Ayun kasi guys, panahon.
In this way guys, may dami
You see that? More on canteen.
and grade 10. I no. It's
Grade 12.
yeah, grade 12 canteen. Yes. The fishbowl there is so masarap, so buy
Can
there.
try that.
Yes.
Oh! Paano ikuha dahingin?
Bite. Quick bite.
Hey!
Fishball.
Abate be.
With ice cream din.
Wow!
Wow, it's so delicious, you know. So we're going to purchase it from the animal production room. It's so mabaho there, so yes, because it's animal production, you know. And so many pig there, they're nagpipisit. Nagpipisit mo sila, diba? Yes. Sana.
Now the new gate of
Hindi kami, guys.
Silposa. Yung
Sa new
binalin.
gate ng Silposa. So guys,
Did you
new
know-
entrance to guys, new entrance, new exit.
exit.
Did you know that?
Tara
That
guys.
this is the new gate. Come on, let's explore the other areas. This. Come here, man. This.
Yung
See
dating
this.
canteen guys, dating canteen.
This is the old canteen, but now it's closed. I don't know what's the reason behind. Let's go to the other area.
Asyaan yung pag-entrance. So, makita kami dito. At itit mga students or teacher. Pero,
Students
naglalakad lang tira guys dito. Bawal
Student
itikit motor.
child friendly.
Hindi namin motor.
Did you see this double way? Have a right or left. You have to decide to walk. Did you see that? That's animals. Animals.
So guys,
Have a lot of animals because of the living creatures we have in the
guys, because this is
Silposa.
an agricultural school.
More on agri-ness.
So, baka nilakit guys in this way.
In this way, this is the way to success. Come on now. This is the
Salamat sa panonood. Dito na po nagtatapos ang aming vlog.
At sana nag-enjoy kayo.
Sana marami kayong natutunan dito sa aming paralan. At
That's all.
yun lang
Salamat
po.
for watching.
Salamat. Bye.
don't be